So today we're going to take a look at converting from standard form to slope-intercept form. So on the screen right now you see 4x plus 6y equals 30, and this is written in standard form. We want to convert it to slope-intercept form. So let me choose my pen here and change colors. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And what I notice here is that this equation is set to y equals. So over here on the left, I'm going to try to eliminate everything on that left side of the equation except for that y, so that I can have y equals. So I'm going to start by subtracting 4x from both sides. So when I do that, 4x minus 4x makes 0. So I'm left with 6y equals. Now, if I look over here at my equation, you're going to notice that my mx value comes before my b value. So that means I'm going to put the negative 4x first and then the plus 30 behind it, because that negative 4x is that mx value that we're looking at. So now my last step is I've got to get rid of this 6, because remember, our goal is to get y by itself. So to get rid of that 6, I'm going to divide by 6. And if I divide one thing by 6, I have to divide every piece by 6. 6 divided by 6 makes 1, so that leaves me with 1y, or y by itself. I have negative 4 over 6x plus 30 over 6. So let's see if we can simplify these fractions. Y equals negative 4 over 6 is the same as negative 2/3. I divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. There's my x. Now 30 divided by 6 gives me 5. So now I have taken that standard form equation and I've written it in slope-intercept form. Let's take a look at one more example. So here we are again in standard form, negative 3x plus 8y equals negative 12. And my goal is to get it in y equals mx plus b form. That is slope-intercept form. Just like in the last problem, we noticed that we've got y by itself, so that is our goal, is to get that y by itself. So I'm going to start by getting rid of that negative 3x. The opposite of a negative 3x is a positive 3x. So I'm going to do plus 3x to both sides of my equation. When I do that, that eliminates that on the left side because that makes 0. I'm left with 8y equals, and again, just like before, the mx value comes first in that equation. So I'm going to put the 3x first, and then it was minus 12 that I put behind it because it was a negative 12. Now again, we're focusing on getting this y by itself. Right now, 8 is being multiplied by y, so I'm going to divide all 3 parts by 8 in my equation. 8 divided by 8 makes 1, so we have 1y, or just y, left. We have 3 divided by 8x, or 3/8 x. And the last thing I need to do is to simplify this minus 12 divided by 8. Okay? So we've got 3/8 x. And then this is going to be minus, and I can simplify 12/8. I'm going to divide both of those numbers by 4, and it's going to leave me with 3/2, or 3/2. And there we have it. That is in slope-intercept form. Hope this has been helpful.